So it's day 3 of our Duralast Week to Wicked presented by CPP. The guys back here are just wrapping up the throttle cable for the fuel injection. The FiTech guys are gonna be in soon to help out. And last week we had the engine over at West Tech. Steve's doing a little dyno tuning, so let's check that out. All right, Steve, so we got the FiTech all set up. What are our first steps here? What are we doing?
Well, we've got it all programmed with the handheld, and basically what we're doing right now is I'm just breaking the engine in and also letting the EFI go through a learn cycle, so it's got kind of cycling up and down.
So I think these are rated to 6.2. The rate at like 430.
The LS3 is rated at 430. I've heard a lot of rumors that they make more than that, so it'll be interesting to see.
And again, you know, if it makes over 430 horsepower, I mean, that's all good stuff there.
It's all a bonus after that.
That's right. $6,900, not bad. Sounds good too.
Isn't it absolutely surprising what Chevrolet has done with this LS series engine? I mean, you have a crate engine rebuild, and it's a 7,000 RPM engine virtually.
Yeah, I mean, that's incredible.
And it also makes 488 horsepower.
Unbelievable.
So it's 50 better than what it's rated, and rest to 7,000. I think that's a win all the way around.
Absolutely. With some bolt-on parts, I mean, look at it go. It idles smoothly. It sounds great all the way through the power curve. So
yeah, it's really impressive.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Now I know we can put it in the car, and it did run first.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, especially when you got 5 days to do the car. It makes it a little bit more comfortable.
You don't need any glitches in the program.
No.
All right, so right now, me and Louie, we're mocking up the E-stop.
It's gonna end up in the trunk, and we decided to put it right behind where the seat mounts. That way there's no interference whenever we have to load up the trunk or anything like that. And also the e-brake cables have a nice routing radius to go down to the bottom of the trunk floor, out of it, and into the e-brakes. Better make it rain, brah. Louis, did you guys bring grommets? Bring? We didn't have enough. All right, I'm gonna go ask Danny.
We're gonna lay out this booster under the firewall so we can mark some holes that we have to drill. We make you bolt-in kit, but this is a change because we're doing this big inner fender kit. And the other kit, the factory location for the booster is offset towards the tire, but we're actually pushing the inner fender in towards the booster, so we have to switch this to a 6874 Nova, which means we have to drill 2 holes.
So it used to be an automatic car. Now that we have a manual trans, we're just converting over, using the same bracket, but putting the 2 pedals on. This is the starter provided by Duralast. As you can see, it's super small, but it's got a lot of torque, so it'll be perfect for this application.
All right, so once we installed the wiring harness into the car, I went ahead and installed the control box and the GPS box from Dakota Digital. And here you run all your power, your grounds, key on, constant, turn signals, oil pressure, and all that good stuff. So this is actually the control center that sends all the information to your gauges and gives you all the information you need.
Okay, ready, Luis?
Ready.
Here you go, buddy. 1 steering column, as ordered. All right. Plenty of clearance.
This is where we drilled it at, so must be right.
So we're wrapping up day 3. Gauges have been installed, FiTech guys have come and gone. Steering's all done. Got the brakes wrapped up. So that being said, we're gonna get home, get some rest, get back at it tomorrow.